Creating content is only part of the process. Now we'll organize everything using Adobe Express, schedule our posts with the content scheduler, and build a workflow that makes future launches faster and more consistent.
If you know me, you know that I cannot talk about Adobe Express and managing your business without talking about the social scheduler. Fun fact, this is the reason why I started using Adobe Express in the first place because of the scheduler, and I haven't stopped using it since I started. So I plan to start this selling this collection on the 5th of July. So I'm just going to start with a post. I'm going to select the channels that are connected: Instagram, Facebook. I don't know why it's not showing the little Instagram logo, but I know that's Instagram. And then Pinterest. Only those. And then I am going to um, do a post. I am going to browse here. I'm going to look for my projects. I'm going to go to files. I'm going to start with a carousel. And I'm going to select the pages. In this case, all of my pages. I'm going to upload and I'm going to put your cafe deserves a branding. Hair designer. I create hand drawn illustrations. This. Your cafe deserves a branding that looks like you hired a designer. I create hand drawn illustrations for coffee shops, baristas, drink icons, menu templates, starting at just 10 for the full set. Drop a coffee in the comments and I'll send you the details. I don't want a coffee. Drop the word coffee in the comments and I'll send you the details. That is a very nice post. So four options for Pinterest, I'm gonna choose a board. Let me see. One line art. One line clothing. Coffee, maybe. One art social. And then at no, the pin title, coffee brand, cafe branding. Let's call it cafe branding. And then into a website. Obviously, my website at thebeta.com, that's going to be on the website. And then schedule. I want to schedule it for the 5th. And I am going to, Pinterest accepts one image. Okay, so we're going to put just one image. I'm going to schedule that. So schedule, that's there. I'm going to do the same with my other posts. So 2 days later, I don't want to overwhelm people with just posts of the coffee. So I'm going to wait that next week. I'm going to post. I am going to go back to Instagram and Facebook. These are my main, this is going to be an image. So I'm just going to go to this one. And then I'm going to select, imagine your cafe, name, cups, bags. I'll DM you. Okay. Um, Cafe owners, this one's for you. Here we go. Cafe owners, this one's for you. Hand-drawn illustration sets to brand your menus, coffee cups, packaging and signage, digital files. This is as simple as it gets. And we can select from this ones. I'm going to select the post. One second. This one. The post, not the story. Upload. And select the board, one line. One. And then, nope, social. And then coffee, resize image. Might be too big. Okay, this is not necessary. I'm just gonna stick to Instagram. Try adding a smaller file. It's way too big. Looks amazing. Okay, so I'm gonna go here. I'm going to make a smaller copy. I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna go here and then resize. I'm gonna resize it for social media just because resize. It's perfect. And then I'm just gonna go home and I'm going to go back to edit that 12 post one more time. Instagram. Cafe owners, this one's for you. Schedule, browse. It should be the right size now. And I'm gonna continue doing that with all of the things I created and in all the sizes. So for example, this one, I'm going to post once as a post and post another day as a story. Schedule.
Everything's ready to publish. Let's finish by bringing the entire workflow together.